Hello, YouTube. Does this name seem just a little bit funny? Now, I sometimes visit an internet forum called Godlike Productions. We purposely misspell words there, and it's, my interpretation is it's half inside joke and half a way to fuck with artificial intelligence and just general stupid people. I once read a little bit of work by a man named DJ Hives that he purposely misspells the fuck out of so many words in his book because he said it's proven that stupid people can't handle misspellings and they will purposely put the book down. And he explains he just doesn't want stupid people to even read what he writes. So it's full of punctuation errors. His name isn't even capitalized. His pen name is DJ Hives with no capital letters. Anyways, I haven't read any of his work in probably like 9 years. But I just found it interesting that he purposely misspells and everything else. But anyways, on that forum, Godlike Productions, we purposely misspelled the word brain as Brian. So what you watching on the news right now? Like every night, you got this shit's being served up for you. Brain laundry. Or could it be brain washing right in your fucking face? Don't know what the fuck that means. Don't know if it's real. Don't know what it is. Just hoping to maybe provoke some free thought. You know? Maybe get some different opinions than my own. Maybe I'll upset some fucking tards, right? What's the girl's name again? Gabby Petito. Look at that. If you just remove that O and put an E, it's petite. Gab means to speak, right? Small talk brain laundry. Is this shit even fucking real? I mean, I've seen it on I saw it on the internet before it made mainstream news. I think I saw it on the internet right when, nearly a week ago, right when one of those news shows, it's not like your regular news had it on. And so I saw a clip on YouTube or on the internet or something like that. But I never looked closely at this because, I don't know, man. I consider the news, I only look a little bit at the news, and I look at it from afar, and it's essentially, the way I describe it is just to see what flavor of Kool-Aid they're serving up to the sheep that day. I check out local police incident reports. I check that every day. Check out local weather, but before I even look at local weather, I actually listen to the state weather radio or National Weather Service. And I actually go look at satellite data. I put more into that, but that's about it for news for me, man. That's I don't really, when I check in, I just look at it from afar just to see what flavor Kool-Aid they serving up to the sheep. Kool-Aid is in brainwashing, right? Or I'm sorry, Brian Laundrie. Yeah. Okay, hope this finds you well.